Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see the performance of stock option positionals. See, basically market is in a zigzag movement. Market is going up and down every day. Every day there is a gap up, gap down, and all the type of things are happening. So people or subscribers or the followers were asking, so what is the performance of positional stock option calls which you are giving and how they are performing? So last 3 weeks we are consistently watching these stock options. They are giving fantastic results, and this week calls I'm showing you people. These are current week calls which were given on Sunday. See, these calls are given on Sunday, and these calls the trader watches on Sunday, and he has to take position from Monday. So Monday he will check either call is crossing the entry price or put is crossing the entry price, and then he will take the position. In today's last video, if you see, I have covered the performance of Nifty and Bank Nifty positional calls. That separate video, you can see this is the website where the client has to uh, subscribe this service income option, and he will get ID and password, and then only he can see the calls. And the calls are like this. Here all the calls are given like auto, Tata Motors, M&M, Maruti, Hero Moto, Ashok Leyland, then banking. And this time you will see here track. This track you will see. Track means these are the stocks which are expected to blast in this week. See, in stock option positional, almost 25 counters are updated. 25 frontline stocks are updated. But from this week there was a small change, and the change was the particular stocks which were expected to blast, like Hero Moto or like SBI, like ICICI, they were marked as track. This is again a software which is screening these stocks, and it will label it as a track this stock. Why track this stock? Because this will blast in this week. So this stock is expected to rock in this week, and you will find all the calls. India Bull Housing, this was also, see, this track means the trader has to track that call, and that call is expected to give fantastic results in that particular week. So these calls were updated on Sunday, and from Monday the trader was expected to check these calls, and India Bull Housing Finance has given almost 25 to 30,000 profit. Yeah, all the calls are in front of you on the screen. You can check its performance. I am scrolling it down slowly. Wipro was in a track, and you can check performance of Oro Pharma also. So I am slowly scrolling down these calls. You can check in almost all the calls. Call options have activated, and they have given a big profit, and we are going to check the profits. Like for auto, what is the profit, how the calls have performed. Like, we are going to check the performance of Tata Motors. This call was given on Sunday. It was 25th of April, Sunday. From 26th of April, the trader will track this call, Tata Motors. Call 295, entry was 9.25. On 26th of April, this call opened at 8:30. Low was 8.35, high was 8:30. So it did not cross the entry price on Monday. Tata Motors call did not cross the entry price on Monday. It crossed the entry price on Tuesday. And it closed around the entry price. Entry price was Tata Motors 9.25. This was the entry price for Tata Motors call 295 to 9.25. It closed at that price only. on Tuesday, and then what happened on Wednesday. Today what happened? It opened around 11 and it has hit 15. For almost whole day it was in that range of 15. So entry at 9.25, hit 15.05, lot size is 5,700 and profit is 33,000 per lot. See, this Tata Motors, one single lot has given profit of 33,000. It means this service is the solution for those traders who think they are not able to do the trading because of their hectic schedule and because of their job or because of their work. But here you check, I am scrolling again, you check any call, and that call has given not less than 25,000 profit in that week. Only one. As here we are discussing Tata Motors. Tata Motors activated on Tuesday, it has not activated on Monday. So it activated on Tuesday and Wednesday. By Wednesday, 2 days, it has given 15. So it has hardly hit first target. It has hardly hit first target, but the profit is 33,000. It has hardly hit first target, profit is 33,000. So the trader can book. So this was the performance of Tata Motors. And friends, these calls are very much helpful. These calls are very great calls for the people who are not getting time for trading. They can only take any stock, any sector, any stock, because these are the stocks which are the frontliner stocks and which participate in each market move. So if these stocks are not moving, then market will also not move. So these stocks have to move. Tata Motors has given only one target. It has not given 5 targets. It has given only one target, but the profit is 33,000. So that was the performance of Tata Motors. Now we'll scroll down and we'll go down. If you check Mahindra, M&M, Maruti, Hero Moto, Ashok Leyland has given a huge profit. Hero Moto has also given a big profit. You can check that. Now we'll check banking. SBI was in track, means this stock, these options will blast in this week. This was marked for tracking on Sunday itself. On Sunday itself, I have told to my clients that you keep an eye on SBI, and those options are going to rock in this week, SBI and ICICI. So we'll check SBI. Again SBI, the call was given on 25th of April, 26th of April. If you see, it opened at 570, it made a low of 550. It opened at 570, it made a low of 550. So it exactly opened around entry price. It has given a good entry, and then it has hit 15.50 on Tuesday itself. And then what happened? It has hit 24.45. SBI call has hit 24.45 today, and as per this, it has hit first target, second target, third target, and it has hit fourth target, and it has gone very close to the fifth target. And please understand, SBI has, Tata Motors we have seen, Tata Motor was not in track list. Tata Motor was not in track list. Please understand, Tata Motor was not in track list. So it was not marked as a fantastic call for the week. But SBI was marked as a fantastic call for the week. Track means the software will screen the stock and it will tell us on Sunday which stock is going to blast in coming week. So SBI was marked as a track this stock, SBI track these options because they are going to blast in this week. And this was told on Sunday. From Monday to Wednesday, it has hit almost 5 targets. SBI has hit almost 5 targets. So a stock in track means that is likely to hit all 5 targets. So how much is the profit? It was a call 340, it was a call 340, it has hit 24.45 today and it has closed there itself. It means tomorrow in the opening itself it may hit 5 targets, because tomorrow it is a monthly expiry. So entry at 5.77, hit 24.45, lot size 3000. So SBI has given, SBI is a frontline stock that was marked as a track this stock, because this stock will blast, and profit was 56,000 per lot. Profit is 56,000 per lot just in 3 to 4 days. So whoever person thinks he cannot do trading in stock market just because of his hectic schedule, he can check these calls and he can understand how these calls are giving the profits. Now we'll go down. I am covering one frontline stock of each sector. Now energy, we have come down to the energy. You can check all other stocks also. Here IndusInd Bank has given a very big profit, you can check that. Axis Bank has also given, SDFC, RBL has also given a big profit, but yes, IndusInd Bank has given a big profit, you can check that. Now Reliance and BPCL. Reliance call 1920 crossed the entry price. You can check, this is 26th of April. The calls were given on Sunday and the calls were expected to track from Monday. It opened at 20.50. Low is 18.80. Put did not activate because stop loss was 11. That was not activated. The entry price was 23.28. When it crossed that 23.28 on 26th itself, and 26th itself it has given 55. Can you see that? It opened at 20 and high price is 55. Next day it opened at 33 and high price is 78. And now today it has hit 86. Can you see this Reliance, the frontline stock that has hit 86? Entry was 23.28. Entry was 23.28. It was a very good and easy entry, because if you see where it opened at 20. It opened at 20, made a low of 18. Entry was 23, and then it has hit 86. Lot size 250. Profit is 15,750. So almost 16,000 profit was recorded in the Reliance call. You can check BPCL. You can check other stocks. Now financial services. Bajaj Finance will check. You can check all other stocks also. All the calls are visible on screen. You can check all other calls. Now Bajaj Finance. What is Bajaj Finance? The calls were given on 26th April. It opened at 96. Low is 96. What was the entry price? Let us see that. Bajaj Finance call 4700 we are talking. Entry price was 132. Stop loss was 57. 132. It crossed 132 and you can see 187 is the high, and next day also again it opened at 125. It means trader had 2 days, 26 and 27, to enter in Bajaj Finance. Call 4700. Trader had 2 days to enter into Bajaj Finance call, and then how much is the profit? Today it has hit the Bajaj Finance call, which give you 2 days for the entry at 132. and then today on Wednesday it has hit 616.95. 616.95 means target 1 is hit, target 2 is hit, target 3 is hit, target 4 is hit, and target 5 is also hit, and it has gone far ahead of target 5. So 616 was hit, entry was 132, lot size is 250, and profit is 1,21,227 per lot. It means, and it has given closing there itself. If you see close, it is very close to the day high, today's close. So at the day close today, Bajaj Finance given you Monday and Tuesday to take the entry, 2 days to take the entry. It was there on 132 for 2 days, and then on Wednesday it has given profit of how much? 1,21,000. 1,21,000. So anybody who is thinking he cannot do trading because of his hectic schedule, he can think of these calls, he can select any call. You can check SDFC, M&M Finance has given a big profit, and India Bull Housing Finance, let me check, I have not taken it here, but I will ask you to check India Bull Housing Finance. It has given a big profit because it was a track stock. It has given a big profit. India Bull Housing Finance has also given a big profit, and all other stocks like Adani Ports, LT, Infi, TCS, you can check. Wipro was in a track list, and metal JSW Steel has given a big profit, and you can see Oro Pharma, Dr. Reddy, all these stocks. So here the best thing is you are getting call on Sunday, any 1 or 2 or 3 stocks from different sectors you select, or you can refer the track list. Track means track that stock may blast in that week. You can select any 3 stocks from that track list, and you can trade and you can make profit. Bajaj Finance has given us 2 days for entry, and it has given a profit of 1,21,000. So all the calls are visible in front of you on the screen, and you can check by yourself. And if think there was any stock that has made losses in this week, let me know. You can comment on this video and let me know which stock has given loss. But the rule is very simple. You have to select at least 2 to 3 stocks. So that is written here. Track the selected stocks, they may give the best results. And as per the rule, trader has to select 1 or 2 or 3 stocks, and capital required is 1.5 lakh to 2 lakhs. So this is the fantastic option, this is the fantastic service for all those people who think they are not getting time for trading, and that's why they are not able to trade, but they can think of these services, positional stock option and index option calls, which can help them. So friends, share this video and this knowledge with all of your friends. In this tough time, it may help them. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.